Unlock AI earning power. Mastering ChatGPT, build and sell custom GPT, making huge profits of 2K 5K per sale plus retaining fee. This is a comprehensive video course that show you step by step how to leverage ChatGPT effectively to build and sell custom GPT to SME, making huge profits. Custom GPT typically refers to a customized or fine-tuned version of OpenAI's GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, model. The base GPT models provided by OpenAI, such as GPT-2 and GPT-3, are trained on large datasets covering a wide range of topics and styles of text. However, for specific applications or industries, users may want to fine-tune these models on their own datasets to better suit their needs. This process involves taking a pre-trained GPT model and further training it on a more specialized dataset, often referred to as transfer learning. Custom GPT models can offer improved performance and relevance for specific tasks or domains compared to the general-purpose GPT models available out of the box. GPT Profits will guide you step by step how to build a custom GPT from scratch, find the lead to sell to them to make huge profits. Quick intro of this course and how you can benefit from it to make consistent income building and selling custom GPT. Explanation on the infrastructure and methodology used to develop, deploy, and interact with conversational AI models based on the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, architecture. Demo of a proprietary software to find the leads and potential clients from social media organic traffic who are in need for custom GPT. Proven techniques how to engage your prospect customer, building good relationship and follow up to close the sales. Pro. I just wish I had found you before I spent a fortune on other, not so good, AI monetization courses. Everything I have seen over these past few classes is pure gold, thanks for everything. This was so worth it, the whole thing has been packed with knowledge and energy and I am now so excited about the first step. Thank you all. Your course contains is so practical. I'm getting ready to launch my AI agency business and am feeling so motivated. What an amazing course. I love the new system community, thank you so much to the team. Thanks for the course. These materials and videos are so valuable, that it's shocking to see them go for free. This is by far the most valuable program for artists I've seen all my life. Thank you. Watching your course has completely changed my outlook. Watching you and your team share their stories has helped me just be me and to just keep moving forward. I am so happy. This is such an amazing experience. How much value will I receive when signing up for his full program? This is like hands-on classes, smiley face. Amazing. Thank you.